Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July. It's July. Maybe you watched my Ipsy Glam Bag video, maybe not. If not, this is sent to me from Ipsy for review. It's $25 a month, full of 5 full-size items. Now, I opened this up, and they send me this. So they put it all together with the glam bag, and then also with their refreshments line. And I don't know what is what. So we're going to take out what I think is the glam bag, unbox it, and then in the description box, and if I messed up, because I don't want to look too hard, right? Like, because then I give away the surprise. And the surprise is part of the fun of the video. And I'm balancing, do I look really deep into what's in the box this month? No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to ruin it for you guys or for me. But if I do ruin the video and put in the wrong products, I'll put it down in the description. Does that sound fair? I'm trying to not be too, let's just do the fun thing. Anyway, $25 a month. Ipsy does send this to me for review. And that's everything. I will link down below to Ipsy, and I will link to my full review. Even though Ipsy does send this to me for review, there is no affiliate link. I don't make money off of this. None of that stuff. It's just product. Anyway, so let's open this up. It came in a huge box. This month's theme is called Stay Golden. It's very summery. It comes like this. And here's our little insert. The Refreshments has a new dazzling 5-blade razor. I actually really like their razor. Do you remember that? It came a few months ago. It's like purple and green. It looked really cool. I actually really liked it. It was a nice razor, so I'll say that. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. So there is that. All right, so first item in the box is a collaborative item. This is the Au Soleil. Ipsy. I don't know who is Au Soleil, but now they're on our radar. It comes in like a beach. This is like you can put your bathing suit in and afterward. I love it. Oh, I could use something like this. We go to the pool almost every day. That's a lie. I don't go every day. I try to get out of it as much as possible. All right. So this is there's a little card. This is Au Soleil. We hope you love this Au Soleil X Ipsy sarong as much as we loved creating it. These grew out of a desire to make chic, wearable cover-ups for any adventure under the sun. We believe our sarongs can elevate any beach look while making you feel comfortable and confident at the same time. Happy sunning. And there is a 15% off coupon code. It's made of cotton gauze. You wash cold, hang dry. And then there's like social media links. Now, I told you guys already, I'm going to the beach with my girlfriend. We do it every year. It's always an amazing time because we are extremely, like, do you have that friend that you can say anything or make any inappropriate joke and they'll just laugh and you just laugh for hours and hours? That's this friend. She's the best. So here is the sarong. So I love being around her. She's just too much and not enough all at the same time. So here it is. So here it is. Here it is. There. So it's I like this color. It's not white. This is like when I got married, this is the color that the dress was. Not white, but like an off-white, like an old white. I love it. It makes me think of like period movies and stuff like that. All right. So I love the bag too. Anyway, let's get in here to the other items. As though we haven't been in here already. All right. Then we have from their Refreshments line. Ipsy does have the Refreshments. This is their Pillowy Shave Cream and Citrus Spritz. Now, I think I've said this on my channel a million times. I've taken heat for this too. I don't use shaving cream. Don't ever. I just shave in the shower with water because if I put anything on my legs before I shave, they get this crazy rash on them. I don't know why. It's always been like that. So I pass this off to the same girlfriend I'm going to the beach with. She has always hit me up for stuff, so I give this to her. And because their products are clean and all natural, and I am using their deodorant, and while it is a natural deodorant, you have to apply it like every hour, it smells really nice and I really do like it. It's light. It doesn't like, I don't know, I just like it. You know what I'm saying? And that's actually lavender scented, and I really love this scent. So I'm going to pass this off to my girlfriend. All right, then we've got a few other items in here. Let's go with this Il Maquillage. This is the Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. I'm going to tell you right now, I have about 700 mascaras open. I'm not opening this up. I will say, though, that I love, love, love Il Maquillage products. They really do have high quality products, and I'm excited to try this out. And I've been getting some amazing mascaras lately. I received that Victoria Beckham. I will say this, if you are looking, and I'm wearing it right now because I love it. First of all, if you're looking for a really natural mascara, that is the most, just, it goes on beautiful. It looks natural. It gives just a little bit of extra. Do you know what I mean? And then the wand is like really thick. It gets in between all of the eyelashes and it's able to coat each one. I think it's really, really amazing. And I really, 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 I love that. And I think when I made that video, I was like, I love Victoria Beckham. I really love Victoria Beckham because my favorite fashion designer of all time is Roland Moret. And he makes these really cool dresses. Like I love dresses. Like I just, sundresses. Like I just love dresses. I like to wear different dress. I'm wearing a dress right now. And he makes these, I don't know if he still even makes them. I haven't checked a fashion magazine in like 700 years. I just don't have time. Anyway, these cap sleeves, like if anybody knows who he is, they know exactly what that I mean when I say that. His style was very, very, you could immediately recognize it, which is of any great fashion designer, but she would always wear his dresses. And I was like, she's so cool. I wanted to be her. Anyway, not like talented Mr. Ripley style or anything, but you know what I'm saying. All right, anyway, let's get in here to the rest of the items because I'm just rambling now. All right. Next we have, this is the Dr. Eve Youth limited edition vitamin C night moisturizer. So that's interesting, a night moisturizer. This does, I'm going to say, look like it might be a gel. We're going to open it up and see. Oh no, it's not. I've never heard of this Dr. Eve Youth. It's fun to say though. It's very light. I don't know how this is a night moisturizer, by the way, because oh, it smells good though. It smells, vitamin C has a citrusy scent to it. I will say this. For me at night, I put on 4 moisturizers. And the last one I put on is this thick. One day I'll do a full review because I absolutely adore this moisturizer. It's like one of the most magical creams that I've ever had. It was sent to me just a few years ago and I didn't open it until like 3 months ago. It's just beautiful and it lays on the skin and my skin just soaks it all up. I need something way more than that. I will say though, it feels really soft and silky, like a veil almost. Very nice. That's good. So if you have like medium, like combo skin to maybe even oily, like this will work for you. It's very nice. All right, then these are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've gotten so many different items from Wander Beauty. They're either hit or miss, but masks are masks. So there's that. Now, before we go on, I will do a full price breakdown on my blog, when I can look everything up. They stopped including the prices in the insert card, so I can't tell you when we're making the video. But anyway, I know these are kind of pricey though. All right, and we're gonna finish it off with a brush set. This is from MOTD Cosmetics. This is a 3-piece. Hold on, we'll go through the names as soon as I open it up. Do I need a scissors? No, I don't. These are gold. Very cool. So first we have the Supermodel Sculpt. So this is going to help you do contour. Oh, that's kind of gold, right? That's kind of gold texture brush. They're very soft and the bristles are kind of like, it's like mottled. Almost looks like a, I don't know. And then, oh, look at the ferrule. It has like a hammered appearance. You know what I mean? Like if it was hammered gold. Very cool. I actually like that a lot. All right, let me throw this baby on here. This is the compulsive part of me. All right, this is the Get Cheeky with it. So I'm guessing this is going to be for blush or something like that. I don't know, maybe. It's also very soft. I never know what to say about brushes. Like it's very soft. Like it doesn't feel cheap at all. That's terrible. All right, last one. This is the Gem Bronzer. Oh wait, so what the hell is this for? Sculpt and Bronzer. I guess this is for bronzer. So there's that. There's that. All right, and so this one, ooh, this one I like a lot. It's like very, I don't know, you can actually do highlight with this too, and would work very well. Anyway, it's very pretty. These are beautiful brushes, great for any vanity. All right, so for your $25 spend, you get your three-piece brush set, your baggage claim golden eye masks, your Dr. Eve Rayouth vitamin C night cream, Il Maquillage mascara, the Au Soleil Sarong. I don't know if that, I guess it was part. And then the refreshments is actually, I believe, their refreshment subscription, but I'm not sure. And then you have your bag for the month, which is Stay Golden. This is the bag that comes in the Glam Bag Plus each month. So that is everything I received in my Glam Bag Plus. If you're interested in checking out Ipsy, I'll link to them below. I will also link to my full review where you can find out more. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.